How to send text or SMS notifications with PDF Image Printer 12. Whether you are using TIFF Image Printer, Raster Image Printer, or PDF Image Printer, with version 12 of Peernet's image printers, users can automatically receive a text message notification when images have been created, or if the file did not convert successfully. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our default profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the default Color Optimized TIFF profile because I still want to create color, multi-page TIFF images. I just want to enable text notifications. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Color Optimized TIFF with Text Notifications, and add with text notifications to the description. Go to the SMS tab. Select the mail server, SMTP, or Outlook. Outlook requires the application to be installed and an email account to be created in order to send emails. SMTP does not require an email client to be installed. If you choose SMTP, please set up your SMTP server settings in the Settings panel. You can get your SMTP server address and other credentials from your IT personnel. For the purposes of this example, we are going to configure text notifications when the file fails to convert. Select the On Failure tab. Enable Send SMS message when conversion fails. Most wireless or cellular phone numbers have a corresponding email address created using the cell phone number and the SMS gateway of the cellular provider. By combining them together to create an email address, an email can be sent that is delivered to the mobile device as a text message. Enter the From email address. Enter the phone number where you want to deliver the message. Select your cellular provider. We provide a common list of providers, or you can add your own if it is not on the list. Enter a message into the text box. For example, file failed. Your message is limited to 160 characters. When you are done making changes, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. Select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the printing profile and select Color Optimized TIFF with Text Notifications as the default profile. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close printer management and the dashboard. Now, if a file fails to print to your image printer, you'll receive a text message notification. For more information on SMTP settings and environment variables and registry keys that can be used on this tab, please see the user guide under Profile Manager, SMS. Try our PDF image printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.